Hey everyone, today is May 8th, getting out fishing again. Not the best day, a little windy, not that warm, but I had a little extra time this afternoon, so I figured I might as well get out and see if I can catch anything. So I'm at the same place where I took my last video, and I did manage to catch a couple fish. So we'll see what we can do today. Oh, missed that little guy. All right, well that's good. That means there are at least fish out. And they're at least a little bit active, so got a chance at another one. Oh crap. There we go. Yeah, buddy. Nailed that thing. Alright, not a bad little guy. Alright, let's see. He is 10 inches. Alright. About the same as I got last time. This guy's definitely a little thicker though. Put up a good fight. Thanks, dude. There you go. I was gonna say, I thought I saw him jumping at it. That was a little bigger again. My lure all tangled up. That was a good 11 inches. There we go. Biggest bass of the year so far. Still not too big, but put up a nice fight. Oh, man. I saw him coming. I got a little too excited. There he is. Oh, gosh. Little guy. Super tiny guy. Wow. Dude, you are so small. Nice 8 inches. Barely 8 inches. Super, super tiny. See if I can get anything on the way. Oh, there's one. Oh my gosh. Ah, little perch. There you go. Little perch. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's something. Oh. Oh, man. Oh, that stinks. Oh, my word. Wow. That's got to be a pickerel, though. There he is. Hang in there, buddy. There we go. Not a big one. Well, we've got another 10 incher. Still fun though. Thanks, buddy. There we go. There we go. There we go, boys. Fish to end on. Just a little guy. It's alright. Thanks, dude. Last fish of the day. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I had a lot of fun out fishing today. It went a lot better than I thought it was going to. Like I said, I just had a little bit of time, so I thought I'd get out. And wasn't really expecting much because the weather's not great. But the water's definitely warming up a little bit, so the fish were out. Hopefully things will keep picking up. Definitely looking for some bigger fish than I caught today. But it's okay. It was still fun. So thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and subscribe if you want to keep up with the videos. And I'll see you next time.